2 of fireworks with Grim Me Poop. Yeah.
Is it Snorlax from Pokemon Go?
Yeah, we're playing right at night time because why the fuck not? Fucking people with gunpowder. It's so fucking annoying. Because then you'll get to celebrate that. There it is! Mortars! Run! Run, mortars! Oh, the fireworks not working, mate! Oh. Oh, do I go to the wooden again? Remember what happened in the wooden? Holy shit, that was scary. Oh, he's got a weasel.
What the fuck was that?
Ah! Fucking hell, I'm scared. Stop fucking... Stop, drop the ball! Run! Run! It's gonna get us! It's gonna get us all! Fuck, it's after us! What the fuck? It's actually after us! Holy shit! You're right, confirmed!
Sick Pokemon. Oh, just stood on my toe.
So
It felt like 10 times.
oh, yeah.
Well, where's that Pokeball going? Well, look. Why not run the no?
You have no more. You have to go to a Pokestop. Is your internet gone or something? Oh yeah, if you didn't see Grim's video, which you should be already, we heard a fucking cling on the fucking wooden. Oh, scary as shit.
I have 49 Pokeballs.
You have 49 bitch faces. Oh! The fuck are you doing?
Ballerina!
You can hardly see everyone. What the fuck? Yeah, he was the one that was climbing. Cause that fucking retard. Leafy is an asshole. Leafy is a retard. Leafy is an asshole. Who bullies little kids? Ah! Oh! I had to stay on the street. Oh, fucking ear rape. Fucking ear rape. Run!
Did you see that?
Yeah. No, I did not see that.
Oh, that's dangerous. It went on the car.
Did it actually?
It went well and exploded on the floor. That's bad. Come on.
Let's see the damage. Dun, 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 dun. What happens if it landed on us? Illuminati confirmed.
No, something like you can see. It didn't go well, and it fucking landed in the cars.
Hopefully it didn't hit the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. Imagine if that fell on us. Oh, that's scary. I hate... Why the hell would you celebrate Why would you celebrate somebody that's fucking blown up houses? What the fuck? There's literally nothing. It hit the floor, but there's nothing wrong.
Right.
Oh no, I can't get a flashlight. Can you get a flashlight, Jay?
Yeah.
Is that it? Where did it land?
Right now.
Oh, it smells. I can smell it. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find it. Because it should have like a little crack in it. Is that it?
Where?
No, that's not it. Dude, I think you can see much better now. Yay. Did it happen around here?
Yeah.
Well, why the fuck are we here then? We're going to get raped. Yeah, dude. It's so cold out here.
What?
To me it is. Shut the fuck up.
Guys, there's smoke coming from down there.
Okay, I can smell smoke. Holy shit, what the fuck was...
Remember last time with the beer? Oh.
We saw a beer on there and we threw it and it hit, and it hit like a...
I wanted to climb that.
Run,
I
run,
I gave it to
run, run, there's literally smoke right there. There's literally smoke right there.
No, we know.
I'm gonna run! Right. Fuck it, car fun. Fucking